guys, so today I'm going to be trying to explain to you how to replace your air conditioning discharge line, which does run all the way down there, but we're going to have to take all this off first, okay? So first, there's going to be 3 of these, alright? One there, one goes in this corner right here, and then one down here. I just take them all out, put them there for now. Then you're going to have your clamps, okay? You go around doing this either way, whatever you want. For me, I like to take them right off the throttle body. 1, because it comes off as a piece then from here, and 2, I can inspect them just to make sure those are right. After that, though, well, those are going to be 8 millimeters. Sorry for the cough. Then there's going to be a clamp here, a breather tube, and then don't forget there is a sensor here. Don't forget to take this off. Should be relatively simple. Clamps. Take them off, then we'll go around to the other side. Alright guys, next thing is you're going to take off this other one right here. Same thing, 8 millimeter. You either take it off down there. Me, I just take it off here because when you go to take this off, it'll just slide out. You don't have to worry about this getting hang on to anything. It'll be a lot easier. So we'll go ahead and pull this right out, okay? Alright guys, next thing we're going to do is the heat shield that goes over the headers. It's going to be a, let's just make sure, 13 millimeter bolts. As you can see, these were appropriately right there. So over that, it's going to be another right inside of there, then a last one all the way back there. Okay, and then we'll have to take this out as best as you can, or just you could leave it if you want, but you're gonna have to peel it back so it may or may not damage yours, because you are going to have to get to the air conditioning compressor right there, okay? And for me, what I do is I just pull back a little bit here, because we need to get access to the line right under here, okay? And I'll show you that. Hey guys, so next thing we're going to do is actually unbolt that. That is going to be a 10 millimeter. That is for me because this one has been replaced before by a Goodyear product, probably in some time in the vehicle's history before. I'm guessing it probably will be the same for you. If not, just feel free to check it out. If you can't tell which one it is, I did mark it with orange, and the bolt is right there. It's going to be the thinner hose. The one right below it is thicker, just in case you are approaching it from below and you can't see it from above. But I marked it right there for you guys, okay? So just unbolt that. Alright guys, then we're going to have to remove the shroud that covers the radiator and radiator fan itself. There's going to be 4 bolts. Remove the 3 lower ones, 1, 2, and 3. Left the 4th one right there just to show you. Those are going to be 8 millimeters. You're just going to go ahead and pull that shroud off. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already pulled back the shroud. You're probably wondering also what happened to my radiator and radiator fan. I did pull it out because I'm going to be servicing. You do not have to do that to access this, because if you can see, this is right here, the AC discharge line. It actually sits down in here. I did pull this back a little bit to get access to that. And the easiest thing to go about doing it is just use a deep socket and a wobble extension. What's nice about the wobble extension is that it allows some flex to it, so it's not straight. You can actually get some pivot on there when you're trying to access the bolt, okay? And the bolt is going to be a 10 millimeter bolt, as you can see. Same thing that actually sits on the one as the condenser, okay? So after you get that, just fish this through, pull up, be careful, try not to damage anything. If you really want to make it easy, you can take off the hood, the front bumper, get total clearance and access to it. But after you take it off, there's going to be another bolt that actually holds down the line a little bit underneath right here. I already removed it. You'll see it'll be on your new one. Same thing, 10 millimeter bolt. Just take it off. It'll be right underneath these lines. And then after you do that, you're going to just try and fish it out, okay? Alright guys, so I fished the new one through, as you can see. I'll even try and get you a view of the one that's right there, okay? Easiest thing I recommend to do is actually try to bolt up the backside that actually goes on the compressor first. Right there, okay? Don't forget, these are going to be capped to try to protect the O-rings and prevent anything from getting inside. Don't forget to take it off. Make sure to look at the O-ring and hook it up. I will try to leave some torque specs underneath in the description below on everything, just in case you were wondering. But after that, just go ahead and bolt up the fronts, and you should be good to go. Hey guys, you probably are also wondering how do you, get the bolt down there without dropping it. I just try to attach it to a magnet or something. So actually when you get in there, you'll just put it in and then just pull the magnet off. It makes it a lot easier. I mean, I'm guessing a lot of people are probably going to wonder, if they drop it, how they're going to get it out. You can get out if you end up dropping just going through the front of the grill, but it's a lot easier just to put on a magnet, put it into the hole, and then tighten it up, okay? So as soon as you're done installing that and torquing it down, only thing left to do besides that is, put the heat shield back on, cover up the headers, get a vacuum pulled on the air conditioning, and have it charged up, and you should be all set to go, okay? Hope you liked the video. If it helped at all, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, just leave a comment below. I'll try my best to answer, help you out. Other than that, thanks, guys.